In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook sign-in error log on incoming POP Imap. If Outlook keeps asking for your password or can't log on to the incoming server, it usually comes down to server access being disabled in your mailbox settings, an account that requires an app password, a small corruption in your Office installation, or an add-in conflict. We'll walk through each fix clearly so you can get back to your mail without the guesswork. First, confirm your mailbox actually allows POP and Imap connections. Open a web browser and sign into your email account. Go to Settings, then select See All Settings. Find Forwarding and POP Imap. Turn on Enable Imap, and also choose Enable POP for all mail. Click Save to lock that in. Imap keeps your mail in sync across devices, while POP downloads it, and enabling both ensures Outlook can negotiate the connection your account expects. Providers label these screens slightly differently, but the forwarding and POP Imap area is the key. Once saved, give it a moment and move on. Next, consider whether your account uses two-step verification. If you do, Outlook may reject your normal password. In that case, you'll need to generate an app password from your account's security settings and use that in Outlook instead of your everyday password. It's a special one-time code designed for apps that don't prompt for modern authentication. If you don't use two-step verification, continue with your usual password. If the error persists, repair Outlook's underlying files. Open Control Panel, choose Programs and Features, locate Microsoft 365 or Office 365, select Change, then choose Quick Repair and start. Quick Repair scans and fixes issues without deleting your data, and it usually takes just a few minutes. When it completes, restart your PC. That reboot finalizes the repair and clears any lock processes. After the restart, open Outlook and try adding the account again, entering your email and the correct password or app password as needed. If you still can't connect, let's rule out add-in conflicts by starting Outlook in safe mode. Close Outlook completely. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box, type outlook.exe safe, and press Enter. This launches Outlook with add-ins disabled, which is perfect for testing. Inside Safe Mode, go to File, select Add Account, enter your email, and try to connect. If it works here, you've successfully isolated the issue to the add-in environment. That's it. Thanks for watching.